So Jamaica is shutting. Yeah. Big up on yourself, big up on yourself. Drama just starting up. I know what to do, Light up one, subscribe, share. And if you're not light up one, drink a bottle of water. You see? Right now, me telling you, say people, the drama continues. So, right now, I could start off by saying, big up fully. Seeing your name a trend right now. FOOTA hype does respond to fully bad. People, me just see Gage. I call out fully bad. I say, I one of the lies artists. Wagwan. Wagwan pan the artist name. Right? Now FOOTA hype respond and I say, a next close argument. So, I want to go on to the bridging and disclose things and feelings and things. I want to go on over the bridging. With nothing less to say about that close situation, right? We see which part shocking Murray forward and dash some fire. Me talk about the bridging and roll with a whole pan of gas and just roll it out when him reach at the gate and just strike a matches. And try burn up Magic. Magic respond and me tell us the people Magic a shell down the Ross. Wicked. See me? As I'm telling you, people, that segment there right now, a drama, there's drama. See me? We have to go address the Ling situation. People, make sure you want to share that one there. So right now, Maggie and Shaquin Murray are going about this thing now. So Shaquin Murray said, born a gatekeeper, born a conductor. Shaquin Murray, born a bill collector. Just know say a whole heap of fire dash over there. The fire burn. Well, people will have to make the decision. Is it necessary fire or unnecessary fire? Or the purification just needed and fire for just consistently burn? Because you know say a fireplace will not come from anywhere, people. Yeah. So, more know how the drama started now because one man I say him born gatekeeper because them a lock out the youth them out of the thing. And the next virgin I say it have to have a gatekeeper. Yes. Any man that go just run in on the thing and the thing not gonna have no order. You see it? And the thing have to run by rules and regulations and things like that in order for the thing move proper, right? Well, so far, this whole goat pen situation, because why I have to say it's a goat pen situation, it's been a lot of goats running around since recently. You understand? You used to hear about the lion them, the lion them. Big up the lion them, lion them a bit, But for some reason, it's a lot of goat. I don't know if the goat pen open, right? But the goat they get over there. Everybody a goat, right? People, it can only be one goat, right? Is that curry goat or is that belly goat? No. Matterhorn has these words to say. None of them don't go where me go. These are words of Matterhorn. As a matter of fact, make we hear what boss have to say. Then we are going to talk on this.
How much people can say that? Then if somebody does that, that's somebody who is monitoring our business. And none of no fly more than me. None of no go more places than me. I've been doing it for as long as I've been doing it. Nobody where I. Me hear enough people that talk about goat. I want goat in a dance hall and me. Any other goat and mutton. But you have other levels of goat. You have some little billy goat and some little mini goat and some little small goat. That doesn't mean say
mini goat. Yeah, mini goat. We hear about Billy Goat. Never know you have mini goat. All right.
Them are not goat. Them
Very
are goat in
interesting.
their own aspect. But I want real goat there. See it? So when we say we're gatekeepers, gatekeepers doesn't necessarily mean you're locking out anybody. But through your dunce no blood clot, and your dark illiterate, and somehow want to go suck out on the mama and jump back in on the mama, because one conduct.
Oh. Now, people, mash up the comment section right now. Is it safe to say we need a gatekeeper as serious as Maggie? We just don't care. As Maggie say, my bad people, and I'm not afraid of nobody. So, I don't know where Shaquille Murray started this bridge then, right? Because Matterhorn response to Shaquille Murray was very hilarious, right? Because Shaquille Murray, I burn him fire and thing, but at the same time, him say him rate Matterhorn, him never, like, I diss him in certain way. Why people, when Matterhorn respond, Jesus have mercy. We might have to call Mout have to bless them. I'll be a fucker going in on that side. No people. Excuse me. Right now, we see which part Ling Ling run out for Matterhorn. Right? So Matterhorn, you don't know Matterhorn head chipping, right? So Matterhorn I say him not care who is the opponent, right? Once the war start, a war, right? So this man I say, Ling Ling bring the same type of ammunition to war with everybody, right? And not check the caliber opponent she go get. And the most hilarious thing this still. But as I say, on the no step on South Jamaica, we not eat, we big up the people them. So big up Ling Ling, big up FOOTA Hype, big up Matterhorn, and big up the listeners and the viewers, you see me? Yeah, because I want to keep the thing going. Yeah. Yeah, man. So people, right now, the drama for the New Year's are roll over like this still. Daddy. What we gonna say? We don't want boring. We can't have a boring New Year, right? And we know say Shaquille Murray, I go shock you world by a man in TikTok everywhere. Bun down. People me are telling you, remember say I saw Jamaica on the year from first. When Shaquille Murray respond to Matterhorn and a normal thing, they tell you, what good. Yes, I am.